Comfortable, clean, served the purpose. They allowed me to check in early for a 3 p.m. wedding in the area and I really appreciated it. Friendly staff. The staff were so friendly at this hotel. It's an excellent choice close to the highway and just outside of London for when you are visiting the nearby rural communities. Drive. A little far from the city but great for the 401 access. Super friendly and helpful staff. I love older staff. People who actually care, and it shows. The function dinner was very good and tasty, not always the case. Rooms are just fine and one barely could hear the nearby freeway traffic. Your attached restaurant is very good, super light meals. Breakfast could be improved on the hot side, bacon, real pancakes and real syrup. We love the ladies in the morning who serve and help. Overall, you all do a great job there. Doug Harris, Ottawa. Clean, great breakfast, no pool. Very pleased with the cleanliness of the hotel and our room. I traveled there for 2 nights with my 4 young kids. There was a good continental plus breakfast, with lots of healthy options and some sweet choices. Only downside is that there is no pool for the kids. But would recommend to others for sure.